Hello and welcome to the Rideshare Safety Partition video on how to install your partition using our new metal brace system. These are the parts that will come in your package. You're going to attach the screws to the partition using the wing nuts, and you will use 4 screws and 4 wing nuts. Here's our CEO, Richard Wayne Davis, demonstrating attaching the screws to the partition using the wing nuts. Once these are attached to the partition, you can then move the partition into the vehicle to attach to the headrest. Each one goes on very easily. It's a screw with a wing nut. It keeps it secure and in place so that you don't need anyone to hold the screw for you while you install your partition. And there you have it. Next, once the screws are installed, we're going to place the partition in the vehicle up against the headrest. Once you've got them up against the headrest, you can then place the metal bracket onto the 2 screws, add a washer for each screw, and then secure each screw with a wing nut. You can do that for both sets of screws. And here he is putting the metal brace on. Then he puts a washer on the screw. And then he puts a wing nut on the screw. One side note, if your seats are not even with each other, it may make installation difficult. Not necessarily impossible, but just difficult. So, as a frame of reference, we recommend that your seats are lined up to make it easier to install. There you have it. After the wing nuts are secured, we have screw covers that you can put over the screws. And then the rest of the installation is the same as before. One final note, if you ever need to remove the partition, the screws that you attached with the wing nuts will stay on the partition. All you would need to do is remove the front wing nuts, washers, and metal brace. And then whenever you're ready to reinstall the partition, you would use those pieces. I want to thank you all so very much for your purchase of the Rideshare Safety Partition. From our family to yours, we want to wish you a wonderful, wonderful day.